Hey, I am going to show y'all how to correctly polish your boat after compounding. As you see, we have not compounded that. The whole entire top up here is compounded. So I'm going to show you here in the full sunlight how to correctly polish out swirls or any holograms left over from compounding. Okay, as you see right here, like on this lid, you got all those holograms and swirls in it just from compounding. That's why you never want to stop with this compound, and you do not wax over that. You have to polish. We're going to be using the Roots 21-inch. Excuse me, it's 21 millimeter polisher. It's about $500, maybe a little under $500. It's very well worth it. This is a blue Lake Country force foam pad. This lasts, I'd say 2 boats maybe. You can rinse it out with Dawn dish soap, massage it in there, and make sure you get it dry. The way to dry it, you put it back on here, turn the little switcheroo all the way up to 6 and let it air dry. Okay, we're going to be going in with Stark Finish R. You can use Elevate too, but Finish R is the newest one and it works really well. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is just put 3 little dots on here. You don't want too much or it's not going to work correctly. It's kind of like elevating away, honestly. It wants heat. Because when you get the surface hot, that's what gets out those swirl marks. We're going to spread it out on one. And then once we got it all worked in, we're going to move up to 6, get a few passes, wipe it off. Now around these buttons, I'm going to have to get with the mini. Just because this will tear up my pad. All right, now you're going to want to take a clean plush towel. Simply wipe it away. Now look at the difference right there. I'll have to move the camera. I'm not sure if y'all can see it from where I'm sitting. You know, like I said, I'm going to have to take the mini polisher and get around here real good. Don't want to tear up my pad too much. All right, that is our finished product. Now I'm gonna have to go in here with some alcohol, diluted alcohol and water, and wipe away the residue. We will be ceramic coating this, but oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Now look down here where we haven't done, right down there, see? That's why you want to polish correctly. Nobody wants to see all that. That is marvelous. Make sure if you got any questions, ask below. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much.